Huawei yet again with another Mate X2 smartphone with an even better design and more improved hinge quality and a tougher display panel that could bear the frequent folding and unfolding. The Huawei Mate X2 is expected to be unveiled by the company this year, which means that we are still far enough from launching this gigantic smartphone. The Huawei's Mate X2, according to the new leaks, will carry the design as the Samsung Galaxy Fold does. The render also shows that it has two screens when folded. It means the phone screen of the coming Huawei Mate X2 is going to be full in size, and the other side, which will notifications and will be used for selfies, will be smaller in size. It is expected to be powered by Kirin 995G SoC. The Mate X2 by Huawei will produce excellent performance due to the high-end chipset. The chipset of the handset is paired with 8 GB of RAM, and the internal storage of the handset is also massive. The coming Huawei X2 will be packing 512 GB internal storage that ensures enough space to place huge files on the smartphone. Let's talk about the screen of the new gigantic smartphone Huawei Mate X2. The screen in the folded shape will be like a smartphone, not like a tablet. This quality will reduce the size of the smartphone to somewhere around 8.01 inches. The battery of the Huawei Mate X2 is expected to be 4500 mAh. This is enough power that will keep the handset on for a maximum time. It will carry support for fast battery charging 55W. The Mate X2s will run the best available operating system for smartphones in the market. This is the high-end smartphone of the company. Expected price of Huawei in USD is $3,353.